Anyone of them, ref? Love anyone of them?
No, put the tap. Yeah, push it down. Stay down!
Back up, back on it up.
Gamblers.
Back on it up. What, crypto? Invest. To the moon.
One.
Yes,
Yeah, right.
saying you good?
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Good. Ready to bun man up? Yeah, yeah. Speak on back. Go, baby. Can you smell it?
Taste it. Tell you what, this shirt, mate. I think it's the badge, because whatever I put on my training shirt, my tracky top, whatever it is, it stinks of victory, mate.
You slide tackle on that.
Like the worst when you used to play
Career done.
When it was a little bit wet, yeah, and you used to just like try to stop and slide.
Bro, that's what I'm saying.
Mate.
Nah, worst. Worst surface of all time.
Before it went turned into madman. Well, I woke up now, yeah, I see man go moving mad. That's a bit close, fam. That's a bit close, man. That made me nervous. Bro, at first I thought I'm gonna carry on. I don't know if you like know, yeah. Not as many people know. You know the Marvel thing. A lot of people know about Boys on Amazon as well. Yeah. Made by Seth Rogen, produced and that. This thing is produced by Seth Rogen as well. He's on this thing. Invincible, cartoon.
Right, deep.
Thank me later.
Trust me.
Omni
You talk
Man
about that,
is
yeah,
on
Lloyd?
smoke.
Crazy.
Smoke. You've never seen smoke
Listen,
like it.
I've never seen any character in anything.
In anything.
In anything.
Nah.
On as much smoke as
That's how you don't understand. That's what I'm saying. You haven't watched it yet, yeah. Watch how smoky he gets.
It gets crazy.
It's absolutely.
You can't even imagine the
Bro,
stuff he's doing.
Unbelievable crud. Like I can't even explain that. It's ridiculous. You've never seen that like it.
Horrible.
After that, it only cost like £4, man.
It's just a pub team.
Well, you got new boots.
People don't realise, bro.
You got new boots.
It's just a pub team. If
You're just a pub team.
If you saw, listen, smokers, mate. Team full of smokers, yeah.
That's all we'll say.
Doing bits. Anyway,
Flavours and that.
new boots.
New boots.
Come soon. Coming up.
Oh, it's a good day, don't it? You need to put a U2 thing. It's a beautiful day. Brett's a big man out here now, you know. Don't chat to him like he's a little man. He's a big man out here now. You get me? Philip.
Hey, look, you look young, folks, but
Yeah, that's the real folks where the shamble folks is. Look.
Where is man?
probably injured again, probably.
Where is man?
Probably injured again.
Oh, sorry.
I was trying them on. Yes, yes.
Sorry.
Oh, you like them? they're the kitsch ones.
Where did you get that one from?
I got them from the Nike outlet.
Hey,
Norwich. Cheap.
They're looking deep still.
Cheap.
I'm expecting a nice easy win today, lads. Let's make it look like work for it. We're gonna have to work for it, ain't we? One more.
That's right, we'll put the man down, let's get it going.
Let's get it going. Love it.
I'm off.
Absolutely bobbly, hard pitch.
9 AM.
Sunday football for you. And the keeper
Dodgy keeper.
has shown his colours already.
It's gone out for a corner though.
We want to start this early.
And it's always a chance from a corner. I stand over it, look to whip it in. Front post to Blaze. And there it is, the early goal.
We love to see it.
Blaze making the front post run, just getting a toe on it, and putting the pass to keeper at his near post.
Jordan Lowe, little touch.
And it's done him. 1-0, nice and early.
Can't complain.
We expected a, let's say, an easy game, because obviously the team is a division below, so that's a given, but we turned up, saw some familiar faces, and we thought,
You never know, do you?
you never know.
You never
So
know.
we had to put it in, and here they are.
Oh,
Chance for number 9, but Ollie defends.
it's 11 versus 11, everyone's got a chance, and I tell you what, this pitch was an equaliser. No
Definitely.
excuses. We're both playing on the same pitch, but some teams want to play football more than others, so
It was horrible, way worse than it looks.
I'm telling you, you don't understand.
Nevertheless, we're looking to play. Baker's broken through. Calls for handball, but it's out for a corner.
Nothing comes of it, and it's Zen battling in the middle. Dust popping up everywhere.
Plays it out to myself.
Nice footwork. Plays it inside now. Jacob, what can he do? Passes it to Ton. Look at the ball. Oh, he's taking advantage though.
Baker looks to return, just puts a bit too much curl on it. And number 7's put out for a corner.
That's unlucky though. That's what we want. Corners, always dangerous.
Looking for Blaze again. It's a chance ahead of this time and then it's off the bar.
God, I caught that so clean. Honestly.
And what header that would have been.
Tell ya, trying to shut up some of them people.
From last week.
You know how it goes. Jacob though plays it in. Baker, what a flick.
Oh, he's done well to keep it.
Good strength there. Good strength under a lot of pressure.
Looks to get away from his man, but runs into number 11.
Jacob picks up the pieces.
Picks up his head, it's whipped in.
Back post.
Looks to clear it. And he's put it top bins. I'm not going to lie, that might be the best own goal I've ever seen in Sunday League football, but you let me know down below. Is that the greatest?
Jacob, no backlift, and he's hit it.
Is that the greatest own goal or what? He's put it bins.
It's almost stanchion. It's almost absolute stanchion.
And that is the gift we needed. Straight from kickoff though. Look at the press. Back at our best.
It definitely does happen sometimes. Zen with the touch back to Ivan. Oh, it's bounced.
It's ricocheted into Baker. He's taking the shot early.
That's the wide jacket, all right.
Everybody go home. 3-0.
Past the pad.
That's the last thing you want on a Sunday morning at 9 a.m.
Early kickoff. Look at that.
18 minutes past 9.
Baker's got his body in front. Snapshot. Nothing the keeper can do about that one.
Straight from the kickoff.
Can't say that now.
But you know us, we're relentless. We keep going.
20 minutes in and we're not looking to stop, but it's a chance.
Decent backheel from the number 10 there. Number 3. And he's hit the post, trying to beat Hendricks near post.
Side netting. Always a chance. Look at the bounce. Baker flicks over to Jacob.
Fancying himself today. Stands his man up. See ya.
Into the box.
Looks to cut it back to Baker, but it's well defended.
Another corner.
Zen taking it this time. Takes it short to myself.
What can he do? Looks up. Jacob.
It's whipped. And that's Blaze with his second.
We will take that.
And this time he scores the header. He's done well just to get enough on it to take it off the number 2's head. I think. Let's have a look at it.
As Jacob's got it, he's coming to the bar. I said, shoot. I tried to block the keeper's way.
And he's just taken off that number 2's head.
Just got enough on it. I'll take it. Best header in the club, they say.
So they say.
And that's good work from Baker. You knew what was coming. You knew damn well what was coming.
He's absolutely bottled that, but Baker hasn't.
Played to myself, I tried to put it back in. Look at the bounce. You see that? Look.
Zen's had a go.
Don't mind it. Don't mind it.
We don't mind the laces, mate.
Ollie, Jacob.
I said Jacob feeling himself today.
Tom plays it into Baker.
Looking to get on the ball again.
Sets Ivan. Jacob.
Gets his head up, has a go. Similar to Zen's.
Like I said, we don't mind it. Ball's bobbling everywhere, but we don't mind a pop shot.
And when you're 4-0 up, why not?
Exactly. Skip hassling his man.
Good defending.
We love it. And that's lay on him.
Calling for a foul. We thought it had gone off, but it stayed on. And I've whipped it in. First time. Blaze.
Oh.
And I wish, obviously, I think Tyrell switched off there. We thought it went off. I wish we'd have caught the ball a bit better.
I'm telling you, what a ball that was.
And what a goal it would have been.
Yeah, but
could have been like a Aubameyang's. And it's whipped into myself.
Jacob on the corners.
Too many goals to keep up with, and it's a rare header from myself.
Straight on his noggin.
I'm not gonna lie, I was talking to the refs, letting them know that it's tugging some of our players, and it's come straight to me, unmarked.
We'll take that.
Easy as they come. 5-0 Kitchener.
Yeah, and it's all about performance now. Like I said, the results there.
Yeah, we gotta get in good habits.
Ivan!
What a save!
Save!
And what a goal that would have been.
Wow. Wow.
He's disappointed with that one, but he can't do much more than that. Let's take another look at it.
We'll take this. If you wanted to fall to anyone in our team, I would probably say Ivan. I'm not
Look
gonna
at
lie.
the tech.
Look at that. Keeper. That one's
Oi,
for you.
That one's for you, Keeps. What a goal that would have been. You've robbed him.
Robbed him. But it's bobbling about in the box again. Jacob. Ooh,
Strength.
look at his strength.
Still battling, but the beast.
Jesus.
Not having any of it. Not long left in the first half.
Last 8 minutes or so and skip. It happens
He
sometimes.
told me to delete that, but it
Delete all that.
happens sometimes.
Come on. Zen.
Well
strong in the
battled.
challenge.
Good block. Oh, what a touch into Blaze for his hat trick. And there it is. And there it is.
We will take that. Throwback.
Rolling the years back.
Tell ya. 08.
Good battling from Zen here. Good block as well. And what a touch
Look
from
at that.
Jacob inside. And a good touch from Blaze to take away from the defender. Poked it past the keeper.
Instinctive. That's what they say.
That's how you finish your dinner.
6-0 though, first half. And this is exactly what they didn't want.
Yeah, that's me. I'm coming off at half time. Job done. Get on the camera. Oh,
But that's a chance.
decent effort.
And they're still going. And what a challenge that
I'll
was
tell
from
you
Ali.
what. I thought that was a great challenge, but he actually slipped. I should have done a replay, but he actually slipped. Take it back, have a look. That's probably the greatest accidental tackle ever. And what has happened? What has happened? It shocked me even looking back.
It's all. You forgot it even happened, didn't
Forgot
you?
it's even happened.
This is what I'm saying. We've switched off.
6-0 up, it happens sometimes, but nobody, there's a player on the keeper, and nobody's got him off him.
And it's blocked Hender's view and he's not been able to get to it.
That's what happens.
Disappointing for us. I mean, it's almost a perfect first half.
Exactly. Like we said, it's about good habits. We can't get complacent because soon we've got Marsham in the semi. What a touch from Jacob. And oh, what a tackle from number 4.
Jesus Christ.
I'll tell you what, keep an eye on number 4 and Jacob. They have a good battle over this game.
Last few minutes.
It's a decent ball out wide to number 10.
Definitely is. Gets his body in the way.
It's good strength. Marcus
Gonna try-
hustling. Oh, he's tried it.
Tried it. Got past the second time though.
Tried to put it in. Baker's completely mishit it.
At the bobble. That's how mad it is. 7 goes for it.
Has a go.
Drops in the box.
Tried a cheeky run around the corner, but that's
Tried that fox in a box finish.
not a problem for Hender.
Imagine if ego never held us back. Imagine instead of selfies we posted our selfless acts. Good deeds with a trend, but they say it's showing off. So it's not when you post your car or when you post your watch. You could post your face 1,000 times and no one clocks. But if we ever show we help the homeless, then we're told to stop. Cause see, that's the kind of shit that would encourage others. Always the ones complaining about it that you enough.
Honestly,
That header, bro.
they're playing good, but we're not playing nowhere near as good as It's going to be points in games where we're dominating, yeah? If we switch off at the back, that's where we get punished. Teams will sit behind the ball if they go 1-0 ahead and do that. You know what I mean?
as well, man.
This isn't the team you've got to worry about, is it? But we don't want to be conceding sloppy goals. Simple as that. Well, we look solid, lads. That's easy work out there for us, really, and it's nothing too heavy. We're going to make some changes and whatnot. Keep the team fresh. You've all played well so far. Just go out there and enjoy the second half, lads. Does anyone want to say anything?
Just keep going, boys.
Focus on the positive. You're
on for B, yeah?
That's what you said, trying to play. We're doing it one touch. Sometimes we give it away, but at least we're trying. And we're not moving it slow, so we are moving it quite quick.
That was two strikes.
Yeah, he called it 2 nights.
Even though, you know.
You're just talking, bro.
Because I remember talking last week.
We were just talking, bro.
So I missed a header last week, yeah? And it was a hard header. I remember, oh, best header in the team.
Let's get this on target, boy, because they're going to get on you if not.
Time again, then, boys.
Whip to Jay as well. Listen, birthday performance. Yeah. Big man now, you know.
Second half is off and it's 3 subs. 3 fresh people.
Myself, Ivan and Zen off. Brett, Charlie and Lloyd on. Fresh legs, the last thing they want. All great quality. Marcus battling.
Oh, what a time.
Number 10's turned him
through.
It's gone through. but
Surely.
The ref's blown.
They blown.
Oh my God.
Ref, you robbed them.
A head injury.
It's his own player.
I hope it really was a head injury and he wasn't just exaggerating because
He could have gone viral.
they've lost out on a good chance.
I tell ya.
That's what I mean.
It's whipped in from Lloyd.
Lloyd,
Baker.
he's called it.
Can't get over it.
Not bad at all.
These turn up.
Big D.
Oh, what a switch.
Wow, from the chat. Oh. He knows. He knows. It's gone for it. Whipped it across though. It's bounced.
Still fell to him, but Baker
having none of it. Drops to Lloyd. Can we get a counter attack going?
calls a road runner from the sideline.
Plays in the middle.
What
Good
a touch from Charlie. Out wide to Jacob.
Anton's helping. What can he do? He's going to face up his man. He's into the box.
Onto his left.
Cuts it across.
And there's Lloyd for the tap in. But they've blown for offside. I have no idea how it was offside. We don't have.
He wasn't.
We don't have a good angle for it.
I'll be completely honest with you.
But to me, it looks like he cut it back. I don't know who was meant to be offside.
He literally.
How can it be offside there?
No idea. Maybe Jacob initially. I don't know. But either way, 6-1. We can't complain too much.
He's got a love slide.
Lloyd running at his man, takes it to the byline, cuts back, is spilled by the keeper. Brett battling, but just a bit too much. Good finish though.
Finish.
Finish at dinner, ask questions later.
Exactly, plays to the whistle at all times.
Anton, Ethan.
The brothers.
Ton off for Ethan.
Passing the manual.
Let's double punch you then, come on!
Last half an hour.
So Peter come up.
Lloyd, good footwork.
It's really snowing now.
Plays to the Brett.
Charlie. Oh, great footwork.
Oh, superb.
Superb.
And that's the only way to stop the kids sometimes.
He said no, it's too cold.
We ain't even got a goal this half.
Chairman's not happy. Brett plays into myself. I'm trying to flick it
back to Brett, but well defended. Blaze absolutely takes him out there.
I said no foul. I'll tell you what, I'm still paying for that now.
Grass burns seasons. Aye, great footwork.
Charlie. And surely, I was saying to the ref.
I thought he was pointing to the spot, but evidently not. Apparently it's a goal kick. Let us know what you think though.
He said he ran into him, honestly.
Well, I don't know where to start there. I'm not going to say anything. Comment below. Was that a penalty or was it not?
I couldn't even be bothered. I was like, listen, book him. If that's what you think, book him.
Exactly. Baker!
He
loves
always
the
wants
50-50.
Flings it through to Lloyd.
Oh, studs up there.
It studs up there, boy. This guy was getting a bit frustrated, I think. Had to get told to settle. They tried it with a long ball, Rue 1. Hender's there.
Hender with the head. It's a chance for number 11. He's trying to lob him. But well left by Rem.
Going into the last 20 minutes and we haven't scored in this half yet. Jacob.
Great strength.
Good strength.
Faces his man up. Like I said, Jacob versus number 4 here.
This guy was on it at this point.
Let's see what happens.
Maybe a bit too on it.
Woo! Left him with a smile on his face.
Don't get too close. Footwork from Jacob.
And starts again.
Plays it back to Ethan as the guy jogs back. And I almost get there. Almost.
Just skimmed off his head. Let's have another look though.
Oh God.
Rude. He was waiting for it. He's got baited. And he's executed it perfectly.
Happens sometimes. Big win from Charlie. Lloyd now.
Heads on. Has a go early.
Strike.
And it's off the post.
Lucky Floyd.
Do not mind our hole. Caught that clean.
Clean with the lace. Well defended by Skip there. Touch from Ethan. Gets his head up. Into Brett. Lovely little turn. Into Blaze.
I hear the call.
Cut back to Ethan. Fake shot. Another one. Finish.
Composure.
He said he wanted goals. And he's got one. Starts with him as well. Into Brett. Lovely turn. Sees the run from Blaze.
It's kind of like that.
Ball in there. Blaze, unselfish, on a hat-trick. Cuts it back.
Do you know what I mean?
Great composure from Ethan. And that's what it's about. Get to know.
Great weight that is.
7-1 Kitchen, if it wasn't done already. It is now.
Change it, Lloyd. Change it. Go on.
But we still go.
Lloyd battling.
Relentless.
Cuts back into his left.
Baker. Yep, good you.
Popping around the edge of the box now, Charlie.
Out wide to Ollie, first time across.
Flings in, drops to the edge.
Blaze! And he's just sliced it just past the top bins.
Go, Jacob, get the ball.
Honestly, I saw it. You know when you see it?
One more.
Had to go for it.
It's on.
Soon.
Baker!
There was no way there was going to be a game and no one got one of them, was there?
It happens sometimes. Strength from Ethan, and he's absolutely taking a piss there.
The man just... Did the man just fix his socks?
I hate him.
For God's sakes. Jacob now. Last 13 minutes. We want to get another goal if we can.
Try to ping it into Blaze.
Couple disallowed.
Charlie starting again. It's intercepted.
Still driving through, but Baker's there.
Baker just gets there and gets taken out.
He's all right, ref.
He respects it.
Love to see it. Ollie now. Driving.
Play high!
Plays it to myself.
Go, let's go!
Face up now.
No linesman.
Ollie's there.
Into
What
Ollie.
can he do?
Has a go! And it's almost rocketed that top bins just off the post.
Always a danger. Rem.
Ball out to Ethan. Touch.
Lovely touch. Switches.
Picked out Jacob.
Superbly.
And he's trying to place it, but it's well held by the keeper.
How about Ginger?
Cheeky. Cheeky. What a ball.
Number 10.
Mark absolute hassled this game.
Look at that.
Superb.
The real folks! The real folks!
Ethan now plays it inside to Jacob. What can he do?
Not
Gets
long
up
left.
his feet.
Gets his head up. Yeah! And what a finish, hard and low.
Alright, put some respect on his name, Ethan.
Put some respect on his name. Ginger Pele on his back.
Where'd he get that from?
He spent the whole day running at people. He thought, you know what? Let me have a pop.
End product.
And he's hit that clean.
Folks, look at the folks. Oh.
Last few minutes. Still trying to push.
Quarter-final next week. Make sure you subscribe. Oof. Jacob's still at it. Had a go. And it's well held. On fire.
Lloyd to Brett. Plays it into Jacob. What can we do? Can we get another chance?
Let's get another.
Jacob into the box now. Goes at his man.
Takes it to the byline. Very honest there.
Yeah, corner, let's go.
Well defended by number 4 there.
Hey, Jacob, that bloke. That's been coming, that has.
I think he's dropped on the guy's head. He's not happy.
Yeah, I think he thought it was intentional. I'm not sure it was though. Last chance. Ethan.
Puts it in, back post, Baker.
Baker. Oh, and it's just past the post.
I'd have finished, I reckon.
Onto the quarters.
Well done, boys. Good result. Through to the next round.
Hey, they robbed you, Lloyd.
Rob me, bro. Oh, I couldn't let it go for like 10 minutes. Get out to the line. I'm like, how can I be offside?
What's thinking? They didn't have a liner for like the last 15 minutes.
I know, and that's what I said to the ref. I go, so you couldn't overrule that decision.
Why then you're not going to have a liner?
But you can not have a liner. But who cares?
Yeah, we won. Hey, let's watch them. Hey, watch Brotherhood. Come on, Brotherhood. Man said Ginger and then pinged it.
Remember what I said before the game, I need to score goals.
I know, I said it. I said you got it. You got it.
Tell you what's not good.
Oh no, you slide.
Why did I do it? No. You know pride. This is what pride does.
Mate, see that?
There was no need, yeah, but he got the better of me.
Yeah, so
you'll see it in the footage, yeah. He got the ball and he got the better of me. I was pissed. But nah, I should have reacted.
Yeah.
So then I had to take man out.
Everyone kicking, yeah? You know me,
Got ops them. We'll meet again soon.
See you soon, lads. In a couple of weeks.
See you soon, lads.
No more friendlies. There's no more friendlies, lads. There's no more friends in here, lads.
But I left them. I'm taking a grand and a half because I bought airlines. Told them maybe about a bag and a half.
But I've seen him bun man up. Don't get me wrong. But it's just
wait for the guy to come back.
He's in. He's in. He's in.
Here we go.
Oh, actually, just finished it. That's better response, Perry.
You actually be lucky I bought this out anyways.
He went to Greg's and got the multi-pack, not even a hot one.
Aye, cheap.
Folksy. Told you there's the real folksy.
Where's the real folks, man?
Skip.
Oh, you got it?
Nah, but
Man said it's not even full.
Lucky I bought you.
Try it, man.
Go on, you're in, boy.
It's a decent ball. Got shook. Alright, what a save!
What a save, keeper. I took my one.
99 problems.
99 problems, man! 99 problems, man!
Man had another go.
Go on. Penalty! Penalty!
99, Jacob, 99! Get the ball, son!
Hey! Nah! 99!
What's this?
Rob!
Judas! Judas!
Judas! Judas!
Shame! Shame!
Walk of shame! The walk of shame!
It was the kitchen of leisure once upon a time.
I mean,
Just put it in the corner, this keeper ain't moving.
Put it in the onion bag!
Slotted 3 of these already.
don't, he's feeling pressured, he's feeling pressured. Give him some give him some thinking time.
What's the 8's name? What's the 8's name, bro?
Don't worry, we didn't become the best team
Don't say
overnight.
90, oh, he's flaked it.
Jacob, 99!
99!
Yeah! Justice!
Alright, 99, you gotta take that, man.
You gotta take control of the situation, son!
Don't let it bounce! Talk to him! On his strong side, strong side! Oh no!
Come on!
Lilo!
Alright, it's home time now, lads.
See how I changed, bro? Literally, penalty, boom. Back from that, 3-1 down.
Can't give you no more
Done.
support,
Game's
boys.
probably
We
done
gave you
now.
our back. Bit quiet. I don't think we lost the BERGHOLT in 10 years. We ain't lost the BERGHOLt ever. Have we ever lost the BERGHOlt? We've never lost the BERGHOlt.
The game's not about BERGHOlt today, is it? It's BERGHOlt here. And all I'm hearing from you, man, is, all I'm hearing from you, man, is...
Alright, Judas. Judas.
Yeah? Come on, man. Brothers, man.
Alright, it's just bad.
Listen up aside, bro.
It's just bad, man.
You're missing it. You're missing
Banter in there,
Then there's.
It's not personal, mate. It's just banter.
Yeah, it's not personal. We don't care.
Come and dissing up your team.
Hey, we're used to that. We're used to
You
that.
never hear me come and dissing
Nah,
up
but
your team,
we're
though,
used
yeah?
to that, though. We're used to that.
Celebrating that day when you won.
What's that?
Of course we weren't ready.
Cheer for us. Cheer for us.
Oh, you're here.
You just told her you were upset that we didn't cheer for you. Now you're saying don't cheer for us. Which one do you want?
We'd rather see you not go through. Then we get played.
This is what I don't get. I'd rather us in the final.
Come on.
Yeah, but I don't know who's saying it, but I'm just hearing some really.
That face decent.
Oh!
Don't mind that.
Hey, right back. That's the 10th time in a row. Any chance you're keeping it?
We're just trying to help.
It's a harsh sport. It's a harsh one.
Oi, don't worry. Oi, when we lose, we get it worse.
Mate, I bet you can imagine. Everyone cheers when we lose.
Twitter, we get it on.
Yeah, but I never come and diss you sides, do I?
No, we're not dissing.
No. I know it's but some of it is malicious, man.
It's not that deep. It's not that deep. No, see, it works works positive sometimes.
Mate, just get Earl on the ball.
I've got a meeting with Erlon after the game anyway. I wasn't meant to say nothing.
Go on, you're in.
Cheers.
Oh,
Don't
celebrate, boys.
Quiet. Quiet.
Celebrate. Oh, you're in. You're in mad tonight.
Oh, you got to hit that clean up.
Step up, right now, step up. You're in. Oh, that first touch as well. Left foot bang.
Oh, you've got to put your head through that.
Decent ball. But